Hi, I'm Peter Vox, Director and Principal Teacher at Vox Singing Academy, which was established in 1993 here in beautiful Melbourne, Australia. If you like this channel, please click like to keep up with more cool videos. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments section below and I will get back to as many of them as I possibly can. Welcome to another episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. Let's get stuck into the next question. Does the Ultimate Online Singing Course cater for beginners with absolutely no experience? Yes, the Ultimate Online Singing Course teaches beginners all the way through to professional singers in all contemporary genres of singing, not classical lessons, all contemporary genres of singing. So we cater for children all the way through to adults. These courses are step-by-step, easy to follow courses that are designed for everyone, but specifically we have an entry-level course that is specifically designed for beginners with absolutely no experience. You don't need to be a native English speaker to do them either. You can do them if you're speaking in another language and English isn't your first language, because all of the scales are done on vowels, so they're great for basically everyone, and they are really, the entry-level course is designed for absolute hobby singers, beginner singers with no experience. But again, the more that you put in, the more that you'll get out of it and the more that your voice will improve as well too. So the more diligent you are, and if you practice at least 5 days a week, you will get the results, whether you're a beginner or if you're a professional. I hope that answers your question. Again, if we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, please check out the links below. We'd be honored to absolutely do that. But most importantly, please be good to each other. Enjoy your singing, live with passion, and I'll see you on the next episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. Peace and out.